Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. If you are new here, you're very welcome. Today I'm coming with another balloon tutorial where we are going to be making a balloon column. So this is going to be for an indoor event, so it is going to be very easy, very quick to make. It's not complicated, so I'm going to show you the process. But before I get into the process, let me just identify the things that I have here that I'll be using for my balloon column. I have my balloon pump. Okay guys, you know I cannot go anywhere without this. Let me see what this girl has put inside. She's always doing something, so she put the fruits in there and it has gotten dry. So I have my balloon pump. I have my balloon sizer. Alright, if you don't have a balloon sizer, there's a way to work around it. You can just get two chairs, put them side by side, and then you use the spacing between the two size your balloons, okay? And of course I have my balloons right here. They're all 12 inches, baby blue and mint green. And then I have my fishing line. Of course I already mentioned my balloon sizes, and I think that will be it. That's all we need for this balloon column. And so without any waste of time, let us get to work. I will start by inflating my balloons bigger than the usual size that I'm going with. Since I have 12 inches, actually this balloon sizer is supposed to be like a square, right? I'm supposed to build it to come out like a box, but now my kids have lost the other parts. I only have 8 inches here and 9 inches here. Okay, so since I'm having 12-inch balloons, I'm going to inflate them very big, maybe to 10 inch, and then I'm going to downsize them to 9 inch. Alright guys, so if you don't understand anything, feel free to leave your question in the comment section and I'm going to happily answer. Alright, so we are going to start by inflating them. I just take my 2 balloons and I insert them into my nozzle and I inflate. Sometimes your balloons will come with some funny ones in there like this. Don't feel bad about it. You can use this for your balloon gallons, okay? Organic balloon gallons, you can use this there. So just put that aside. So before I continue, I'm using Tuftex balloons. Alright, this is Tuftex. For the blue, here we have green birds. This blue is Tuftex, and the green is from Sensational, and this is from my local balloon store. Okay, so let's keep inflating. Yes, my love. I'm inflating. Yeah, that's the only way to keep you out of here. Can you go? So now I'm going to downsize it like this. So I just hold and I release gently while pushing into the circle that I have here, okay? Release gently until I can go through, just like this, right? So that's it. Alright guys, so I'm going to stop there and then I'm going to pair my balloons into quarts. I'm going to put them in quarts and then I'll start building my column. Alright, so let's get to the next step, which is what I just explained. So to put my balloons in quarts, I'm going to put these two together. Just like this. Right guys? Just like this. So I'm going to do this multiple times and then I'll keep them together. Now we are going to start building our column. And here, I don't know, can you see? I think this position is good for you. Here I have my water balloon. It's just one of the balloons that I filled up with water. And I have my fishing line, so I'm just going to tie it onto. This is to give stability to my balloon, or to my column rather. It's too big. Just tie, secure it, make sure it's secure very well. Okay guys, that is it on my fishing line. And I'm going to just pass it through. Everything is well secured, and you see it is well balanced on the floor, right? So it's not going to fall by any chance. It's not going to fall. Oh my god, baby is crying. I'll be right back. Ta-da-da! Guys, look at what we have. From the bottom right up. Okay, so this is what the client's picture looks like, just exactly like this. But what we can do is add a topper, which is a large balloon. You know, you can just add a large balloon at the top right there. So I'm going to just inflate this one and keep aside. If she wants her balloon without a topper, which is what her picture looks like, I'll leave it like this. But if she wants me to add a topper, I will just add this one. So I'll show you what it's going to look like. If she wants a topper, we are going to do this. Okay. She wants a topper. The topper makes it a little heavier. So if she wants a topper, this is what she's going to have. If I were in her shoe, this is what I'll prefer. But her picture does not have a topper, so I'm just going to leave it like this. If I get there and she wants me to add the topper, I'm going to add it. If not, we are just going to leave it like this, and I think that it looks perfectly beautiful. I don't know, guys, what do you think? Let me know your thoughts. Here is my baby, my little creation. Let me know your thoughts on this. It is ready to be delivered. Alright guys, so if you have any questions, any comments, be sure to leave it in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to answer to the best of my ability. I hope I was able to inspire you. I'm creating and inspiring you to do it yourself. That is the goal. That is why I'm here. I'm teaching you and encouraging you to do it yourself. So if this was helpful, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button to join the family, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.